Been with the washers and pickers and shit. After 1-3, then we turn up 11. Keep this shit open like 7-Eleven.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl, Gotta Say Rosie. I'm back on with another creation. I'll be making a Korean delicacy. I'll show all the items that I use to make this come alive. Today I'm going to be making Halloween drug devil eggs with a addictive Korean sauce that I found out on YouTube. I'll list all the items that I used to make this project happen and show you step by step on how I made it. The carton of eggs weren't included in this clip, but of course you'll need your eggs. You'll need to hard boil them for 4 to 5 minutes. After they're hard boiled, you want to make sure you put them in an ice bath so they can stop cooking. You want to take them out the ice bath, put them in a Ziploc bag with a little bit of that water from the boiled eggs with the shell on. Once your eggs are in the Ziploc bag, you can choose what food coloring you want to make your eggs. I chose red because I think that's like the most oddest color for eggs. So you want to pour it in the Ziploc bag with a little bit of that water that's remaining in the bag, and you want to squish it around really good, breaking up the shells so the color can get really deep into the eggs. No judgment. I didn't have Ziploc bags, but I seen people use Sheen bags as a replacement. So I had to improvise and use what I had. So that's what I did. Okay, now once you rub your eggs down really good and the color seeped in, you can then go peel your eggs. You want to cut them in half and take that egg yolk, put it in a bowl because we're going to now move on to the step to make the devil egg filling. Um, I'm cutting up onions now so I can still add my ingredients, the onion, pepper, garlic, mustard, everything that you typically make for devil eggs, but with food coloring. Okay, now is where I think it gets a little fun because I chose the color green for my filling because it's going to make it look really creepy. So once you put all your ingredients in the bowl and your egg yolks, you want to mix it together with the food coloring and watch the color change. I forgot to put the mayonnaise in. Now, it's optional. You can always scoop the filling into your eggs. I put it in a plastic bag because it was just a lot cleaner. If you put it in a plastic bag, just put it all in one side, cut the corner of the bag, and squeeze it into your eggs. So, as y'all see, they turned out really good. Red and green eggs, looking really creepy. But I promise you, they look nothing like how they taste. They were really fun to make. Now I'm going to move on making the addictive sauce, also known as Mayak sauce, a Korean marinated sauce. So let's do it. Okay, now we're going to go on to make the Mayak sauce. I believe it's pronounced, but other known as the drug sauce. So they gave me the measurements, but it's just for me. So I'm just going to eyeball it. Put soy sauce. You need some soy sauce. I believe that's it. Soy sauce. You want to put onion, scallions, jalapeno, garlic, this. This is my first time making the drug sauce, so I want to try it on top of the double egg. See what that's hitting for. That looks creepy. That just don't really look too appetizing. Let's see. Mmm. 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 That turned out really good. That is really good. So guys, thank you for coming to my channel, watching me do my culinary for Halloween. I also wanted to try the Wednesday Whopper at Burger King, so I got it. So I want to see what it's hitting for. It look a little dry. I need some. Hold on, I got some. I never seen this done before. I mean, I guess today with me food color and everything. But let's see. It don't taste no different than a regular Whopper. It's good. Halloween, baby. Y'all be safe out there. Have fun. I like my outfit. I'm just a cute little baddie. You know, nothing different than the typical day. Yeah. I got my Halloween print on. Very classic. Very cozy. Very kosh. It's so demure.